When you look at the divers and deeps from above, it seems so frightening, unexplored, incredible, and attractive. It seems like you have to be a superhuman to breathe underwater. It seems that all this is impossible, difficult, and very scary. But when you dive for the first time, you realize that this is the most amazing feeling of freedom, joy, and happiness that you have ever experienced. The underwater world is not only beautiful but also fragile like a human life. But by overcoming fear, a person becomes stronger. This is here that you understand how beautiful the planet is and how important it's to preserve every part of it, especially the underwater one.